In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image black and white in InDesign. So I'm going to go here to File and Place. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+D, Ctrl+D, select an image. So I'm going to select this one. Now I'm going to unselect the photo and just click double tab to select the image and not the frame. Now we're going to go to opacity here. In normal here, we're going to have to select luminosity. And now we're going to unselect this image. And then we just click one time on the image because now we select just the frame. And here in fill, we can select paper and or black. We'll turn this picture in black and white image. Now you can also turn this image in maybe red image or anything you want. You have a couple of options here. Maybe you just don't want to take this image in a different software, in Photoshop for instance. And you can use this trick, which will save you probably some time. It looks black and white. Just click on here and it looks just good. You can also now right click, go to effects, drop some shadow, increase the opacity, increase the size. And now we have here some drop. Now, if you want, you can double click and just resize the image if you want to. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any suggestion for the next InDesign tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I'll create a video for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.